Hi everyone, Johannah here with TimeZest, here to talk to you today about our new Office 365 integration. Let's take a look at how you can optimize this and use it for your company. First, we're in integrations, and you can see the Office 365 integration is set up here. In our demo instance, we have Guy Rogers who can associate with an Outlook account, and you can see when it does associate, it's a green check mark. Once your users are all integrated, we can then go to their individual user settings and go to configure. Here is we can manage the individual calendar settings for each resource that you have. Now this is really powerful, and what this allows you to do is to set up what is their primary calendar. So for your resources who work primarily out of ConnectWise Manage or Autotask, and they're using their Manage or Autotask calendar, working in and out of tickets, you'd want it to be written where the PSA calendar is the primary calendar. And to do this, you choose to read and write both to either Manage or Autotask. If the resource doesn't really work out of your PSA all that often, and they primarily work out of their Office 365 calendar, we can change the settings to read and write to Office 365 and then have your PSA calendar checked to make sure there's no conflicting appointment. This allows you to use TimeZest across the board with all your resources. It can also be used in conjunction with panel scheduling or team scheduling. It will automatically just write to where that user needs their calendar written to per the configuration here. Let's go to the appointment types and talk through how resources who don't even work out of the PSA calendar can leverage TimeZest with their 365 calendar directly. So when we use shareable URLs, we now have the option to have it write an Office 365 appointment if it's set up to create either an activity or a to-do. We will automatically look at the configuration for the individual user calendar settings and say, does this person want Manage or Autotask as their calendar or 365? And when the shareable URL is created, it will write that appointment to the appropriate calendar. Okay, I'm going to insert some screenshots here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Once the appointment is created inside of the 365 calendar, you can see that the user will get a description of what is going on, what the appointment is about, the date and time that the appointment is for, and who the contact is. Also, this will put in the phone number if you're collecting that from the client. On the client side of things, they'll still have the cancellation and rescheduling button if you have that feature turned on, and it will show up as a regular 365 appointment in their calendar. If you have any questions or concerns about how to use this integration, please feel free to reach out to help@timezest.com, and we can set up a one-on-one session to discuss your individual needs. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.